It is great to have you back here at CoinSuri's channel. Request from viewer is, what do you think will happen next? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our CoinSuris. Who came to our channel CoinSuris? You will always be info with the latest CoinSuris news. Option 1, will there be a settlement of XRP and XRP? Option 2, or XRP will win. Option 3, or SEC will win. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Crypto specialist Joe Perry has explained why the price of XRP might skyrocket, possibly increasing by a factor of 10. Perry just released a video in which he laid out 5 main arguments in favor of his bullish prediction for Ripple's XRP. Raises doubts about the recent price spike of XRP, Perry pinpoints the tempting settlements resolution as the main reason, painting it as a black cloud that, if resolved, might remove doubts and push XRP's price upward. Since the market despises ambiguity, Perry's will nevertheless view a settlement with more stringent terms than anticipated as a positive move. The second justification is the potential market disruption it would induce for an IPO. Once the legal implications of an IPO are better understood, exchanges may decide to relist XRP, which would pave the way for cryptocurrency regulation and foster an optimistic environment. The final part is crypto law. Perry claims that XRP could outperform other coins in the market after a presidential decree or parliamentary action creates market-wide legal clarity. The fourth justification revolves around institutional adoption. Perry predicts that as Bitcoin ETFs gain popularity and investors diversify their holdings, a growing number of family offices and retirement plans will begin to invest in XRP. The fifth and final concern that Perry discusses in his analysis of the possibilities for expansion in the cryptocurrency business is the impending deadline for Bitcoin's halving. In this case, XRP, at its current price of about 50 cents, might be a good investment. Although Perry recognizes the possibility of a short-term pump from an XRPO, he is concerned about liquidity in the long run. A possible transfer of capital from XRP tokens to Ripple Labs shares might affect XRP's overall liquidity, he says, if the company were to go public. Finally, Perry concludes his research by suggesting that XRP might have a breakout year in 2024, with values exceeding $2. A tenfold spike could be overly optimistic, though. For the next 12 months to 5 years, let's look at XRP and its potential. The anticipated price of XRP coin and the prospects for cryptocurrencies in general are topics he would like us to discuss. On this point, I am being very careful. I promise you this is our first time here. Please be patient, for I am of the belief that the figures we are about to examine will triumph where others have fallen short. Clearly, the answer is yes. Because statistics speak facts and there is no denying the hard math, we will study the daily trading volume and market capitalization. If you have XRP on hand or are thinking about shifting some money from more traditional savings vehicles like mutual funds, this is something to think about, even though it might not seem important in a utility market cap-driven economy. With the crypto market's recent skyrocket, investors stand to gain substantially more than with more traditional investment vehicles. The crypto era has now started, and there will be no looking back. It is anticipated that the growth will be unstoppable. Looking at 3 XRP price milestones will help us concentrate on the next 1 to 5 years, which we have already set. That, if not accomplished, defies reason. Having said that, you shouldn't let that fool you. My confidence is justified, as the current market valuation of all cryptocurrencies is $1 trillion. In the foreseeable future, the price might reach $20, $40, or perhaps $50 trillion, according to a rapid calculation. Assuming Horizon isn't merely hopeful, it's nearly guaranteed. In this hypothetical situation, you not only get your money back, but also walk away with a comfortable $10,000 profit. But you're still in it for the long haul, with that whopping $160,000 working for you. Whether you're dealing in US dollars, Canadian dollars, or British pounds, this strategy will ensure that everyone receives a share. Upon reaching $10, we can move on to a topic that could enhance the taste of your coffee: That $110,000 that you stand to gain as much as $188,600 from your initial investment of $18,000. Fortune reports that XRP trades with a volume of $185 billion daily. I have no doubt that you are correct. Speculating that the value of the Bitcoin sector will continue to rise above $85 billion might be overstating the case. To everyone who has just started watching my channel, I am really grateful. When placed in its proper context, it becomes crystal clear. If you like it, feel free to vote it up. In the event that this film amazes you, the $700 billion market cap for XRP isn't pure speculation, as you can see from my most recent evaluations. Conversely, if XRP reaches 20, which is not out of the question, your $10,000 investment would be worth an incredible $377 in this exciting scenario. Give this some thought. At the peak points of XRP's development, you can profitably withdraw $10,000 plus an additional $30,000, allowing your portfolio to continue to grow. The moment to discover new opportunities has come. Possibly you may be opening a store is one of your aspirations, or maybe investing in real estate is another. Keep in mind that taxes are not subtracted, therefore it's a good idea to calculate your after-tax income. With this $20 price hike, the daily trading volume of XRP is expected to reach an unprecedented $370 billion. You might just come to a halt at that number. Within the cryptocurrency ecosystem, $370 billion is just another day at work, contributing to a market capitalization of $1.04 trillion. Even with the most pessimistic predictions for the next 1 to 5 years, any doubts regarding XRP's capacity to outperform these standards will be readily apparent, even though it may feel like we're entering a magical realm. A mind-boggling $940,000 would be yours if XRP were to hit $50. Here are the options that have been put to you. Envision a market cap of $3.05 trillion, achieved by daily trading volumes of 925 billion XRP. Many hundreds of currencies all across the globe would use XRP as their foundation for transactions. There are two options: either withdraw $100,000 with $10,000 already out, or let a large $8 million or more grow for a few more years. There is no end to the possible practical uses for the XRP ledger. I will truly keep you in my prayers and want you to know how much you mean to me, regardless of whether you agree or disagree with this viewpoint. The opportunity to join the market at this low pricing has never been better. It seems like I should have done something about this 6 years ago, but alas, I haven't. Congratulations to all the astute investors who have been buying more and more shares in them over the past few years. Once XRP reaches the $110, $30.50 thresholds, folks who waited will definitely ask a lot of questions about prices they thought were crazy on websites and mobile apps. There will be consequences for this. It teaches us a sad lesson about the power of short-sightedness in decision-making. Keep in mind the excitement that engulfed Terra as it skyrocketed to $1.70. Crypto market fans like Mike Novogratz immortalized the event, revealing the true essence of the market despite supposition. From the very start, practicality has been completely disregarded. The creators of XRP had grand ambitions of creating a global financial infrastructure that would enable unfettered cross-border wealth transfer on a scale never before seen. This drawn-out and laborious vision explains the slow but steady increase of XRP value. My sincere appreciation goes out to everyone who has been asking why the value of XRP hasn't increased dramatically recently. It is essential to fully grasp the magnitude and complexity of the current undertaking. Just because a lot of folks care about this, very little room for maneuver is there. So, getting it right the first time is the goal. This isn't just any digital asset, it's a stake in a game-changing strategy to alter the global banking landscape. Our monetary system is on the verge of undergoing a revolutionary change. An enormous shift like this will necessitate some time. A more current paradigm is gradually replacing an outdated one, and we are seeing it happen right now. Like and subscribe, as always, would be great. Coming up shortly, farewell.